Bee Cabin. I'm Mike Ryan, one of the best bee brothers. Are carpenter bees destroying your wood? Or attacking you on your patio? Or worse, both? Introducing the Turbo Trap from Best Bee Brothers, your ultimate solution for outdoor protection. Our specially angled entrance holes and internal chambers use behavior-based design to lure the bees in and trap them. Once they go in, they can't get out. The spring-loaded release door, along with convenient 9-foot pull cord, allows for easy disposal. Hang the trap easily with the rope included, or use 2 screws to mount to any surface. Inside the trap, you'll find our unique 4-chamber turbo funnel, designed to attract and retain bees. Large side viewports enable you to monitor the trap's success. Want to jumpstart your trap? We've made it easy for you with our removable Beelicious Bee Bait Cup. Adding bee bait not only jumpstarts your trap, but the cup also doubles as a convenient secondary access door. Turbo traps cover a 15-foot radius, creating a bee-free zone around your home. Order 1 trap for every 15 linear feet to maximize your defense. Best Bee Brothers is committed to the environment. Our trap and bait are pesticide-free and safe for use around pets and kids. We use sustainable, 100% recycled ocean-bound plastic for our roof. Our patented behavior-based design focuses on capturing bees without causing harm. The Turbo Trap is the perfect trap. Set it up effortlessly, enjoy your bee-free outdoor oasis. Say goodbye to bee interruptions and hello to uninterrupted outdoor fun with the Turbo Trap from Best Bee Brothers. Visit bestbeebrothers.com today to order your trap, learn lots more about carpenter bees, and see all of our great all-natural pest control products. Take control of your outdoors with Best Bee Brothers.